So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, there's going to be 2 commands in the description. We're going to copy and paste both of them one by one. I'm going to highlight the first one, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come back to CMD, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it. And then click on enter. Wait for this to load. It's just processing. Let's wait for this. And then once that's been done, we're going to copy and paste the other command. It's going to be down below in the description. You want to highlight it, Ctrl+C to copy it, come to CMD, and then Ctrl+V to paste it. And then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you should now be able to open up Group Policy Editor. If it doesn't appear, then just restart your computer, come back into Windows, and you should now have Group Policy Editor.